Hello everyone, here we've got HTC Desire 22 Pro, and let me show you how to change the wallpaper of this device. So at first you need to open the settings, then find and select wallpaper and style, and now click on change wallpaper. Here you can choose some from on-device wallpapers, something from wallpapers album or your own photos. Let me choose maybe on-device wallpapers, and here you can scroll to pick it. We've got only 2 of them. Maybe we will find something more in my wallpapers. So let me choose, for example, this one, and if you wish to apply it, just tap on set wallpaper and then decide if it's for your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both of them. I will go with both. And that's it. As you can see, it is set on both your lock and then home screen. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.